Is your computer running slow? You're not able to do your work properly just because your computer is way slow and it is really annoying. If this is the case, please watch this whole tutorial and you will definitely be able to make your computer way faster, just like a brand new computer which you bought it in the first day. These steps are very easy to follow and anyone can follow it. So the very first step is do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. Once the setting is opened, go to the system and here you will find storage space drives configure rules. So click on that and here please make sure that you turn on storage sense, automatically free up space, delete temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. So once you turn it on, you will have a lot of options. You can select run storage every week, every day. I will select every week and delete files in my recycle bin from one day, or you can select any other days. And you can also run your storage sense. So basically it will remove all the junk and cache from your computer. You will also get the cleanup recommendation through which you can clean your computer if you have a lot of things in the downloads and if there are temporary Windows installation files. And you can also look for large unused files. So this will also help you making space in your computer. So it will free up space as well. So that's the best part. Once this is done, do a right click in the start icon and just go to Task Manager. Now here at the very top, you will find processes, performance, app history, and startup. So here we will go to startup tab and I'll just maximize it. Now in startup, there will be many applications which will be running in the startup. Like when you turn on the computer, these applications will also be turned on. So there are many applications which I need at the startup, like security or sound, graphics, and audio. So these should be enabled. Apart from these, like graphics, audio, security, and audio thing, you can disable other applications. For an example, I do not want Microsoft Edge at the startup, right? Or Steam or Skype or any other product. So I just need to do a right click and I need to click on disable. So once you do that, this will actually help a lot and your computer will be very faster. So once this is done, close this window and we will also clean up the browser because this will be a complete tutorial. So no matter you're using an application, browser, or overall computer performance needs to be good. So I'll go with the Google Chrome first, and then we will also do it for Edge. So once this Google Chrome is open, at the top right corner, we have these three dots. So I'll click on that, and then I'll click on Settings. And here we have this left-hand side, we have this Reset and Cleanup, and you can clean up your computer and restore settings to your original defaults. So reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, and this will also delete cookies and other temporary site data. So if there are issues in your browser, like if it's running slow and there are a lot of extensions installed which you're not aware of, you can reset your browser. This is the best way to make your browser faster and the computer faster. Once this is done, open the Microsoft Edge because many of us use Edge as well. I also use it. At the top right corner, I'll click on these three dots and then I'll go to settings. And here at the left hand side, we have this reset settings. So restore settings to their default values. So I'll click on that and this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, pin tab. This will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorite history and safe password will not be cleared. So that's the best part. So you can reset your browser, and once this is done, we will move to the next step. So we have disabled the startup, we have activated the storage sense, we have reset the browser. Now we will uninstall some unwanted applications. So for that, I'll just do a right click and I'll click on run. And here I'll type appwiz.cpl. and I'll click on OK. Now this will open up uninstall or change a program. Now here you need to spend some time, look for the applications which you use, and the application which you do not use or very rarely use, you can uninstall it. So in this manner, the load will be less in your computer and you will also free up space in your computer. Right, so you just need to do a right click and just click on uninstall. So you can check one by one which all applications you need and which all applications you do not need. Once this is done, you can close this window and now again do a right click in the start icon and go to run, and here type sysdm.cpl. Once you have typed it, click on OK, and this will open up the system properties. So here you will see the computer name, description, hardware, advanced system protection. So we will go to advanced, and from here you will find performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. So I'll click on that. And here, if it's selected best for appearance, then change it to let the Windows choose. Or if you need more performance, I would recommend to select adjust for best performance. Now, all these tips can be done on Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 laptop. So this is not specifically for any version of Windows. Like you can do the same thing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It will work very well on both the versions. Once you have selected adjust for best performance, click on apply and OK. And in this manner, your computer performance will be better. Overall look and feel might be different, so you can come back here and you can change it if you do not like it. But if your motive is the performance, then you can let it be, let the Windows choose or best performance. Once this is done, you can also check for infections. If there is any malwares running in the computer, that will also make the computer slow. So for that, I'll open the browser and here you can type malwarebytes and hit enter, and please make sure you visit only malwarebytes.com. This is the website. Here you can download the free tool and you can simply scan it, and once this whole scan is done, you can uninstall it. If you do not want to install any third-party application, what you can do is you can click on this at the top right corner. At the bottom right corner, you have this Shield Windows Security, Windows Defender. I'll just do a double click and here go to virus and threat protection, and from here you can either do a quick scan or you can do a full scan. So I'll click on scan options. From here you can select quick, full, or custom. So I'll select the full scan because this will take some time and it might take 1 hour, might be more than that. So go for the quick scan. If it goes well and overall performance is fine, then you can do the full scan. So you can do it on weekly or monthly basis. This is a good practice. Once this is done, we need to update the Windows as well. So it is a very important and good practice that you update your computer regularly. So updating the Windows is actually updating the definition. So your computer will be more secure, faster, and it will have, if there is any bug, that will be also fixed because a lot of updates may fixes a lot of issues. So for that, just click on search icon and type Windows Updates. And here you will find Windows Update settings. And from here you can check for the download and install it. Once this is done, restart the computer and let me know how's the performance of your computer. You can go to the playlist of mine, How to Make PC Faster, where I have created many tutorials in different, like if you have startup issues, if you have virtual memory, if you want to increase virtual memory, if you want to free up space, if you want to make computer faster, there is one more popular tutorial. You can go to the playlist of mine, How to Make a Laptop or a Desktop Faster, and that will definitely help. So just after this tutorial, you will get that in the end screen and you can watch that. Guys, if you have liked the tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe and also leave the comment, and you can share this tutorial to your loved ones, family and friends. This will also help. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Have a wonderful day.